Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video after a long time, and this time I have an unboxing of this SoundBot SB574 Bluetooth speaker. This is generally retails for about 1500 rupees on Amazon. I got it for about 1250 rupees from Amazon during a lightning deal. So I'll give you an overview of the box itself first. So on the front, as you can see, there's an illustration of the speaker itself, SoundBot, with the serial number SB574. Here we have some details regarding the features: up to 33 feet wireless range, 52mm drivers. Total output is 6 watts. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, hands-free talking, up to 6 hours of music playback with 2000 mAh built-in battery. Same features here. As you can see here, the price quoted on the box is about 4000 rupees, but as I already mentioned, it's available for around 1500 rupees on Amazon India. SoundBot. Let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look at what are the contents of the box. So here is the speaker itself. Let's take it out. It's resting in its plastic tray. We'll keep that to the side. Other than that, we have two cables here. The first one is a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable, and the second one is a micro USB cable to charge the speaker itself. Other than that, we also have our user manual in the box, SoundBot quick start guide and user manual. Feel the vibe, live the moment, rock with SoundBot, probably the tagline. It has all the buttons and controls and features and whatnots. Play, pause, previous track and next track, and volume controls and the ports. So we'll keep that to the side and we'll look at the speaker itself. This is quite snug though. This is our speaker itself. It feels a little heavy. On the front we have our SoundBot branding, and this is some sort of fabric material which looks nice and gives a premium feel. Here we have a wooden texture. It's not real wood though. It feels like plastic, and it should be plastic. It is plastic indeed. Here we have rubber feet so that it can be in place when you're playing song, even when it vibrates and all. Here we have the power lock and unlock button, DC 5 volts input, micro USB, aux, that's 3.5mm headphone jack. On the top, the PlayPause, volume up and down buttons. Let's turn it on, let's connect it to my device, and I'll try to play some songs for you guys. The speaker is connected now, so I'll play some songs from the YouTube copyright-free music library, and let's see how it sounds. This is the button for play and pause. If you want to lower the volume, you can just tap it once, like keep tapping it. And as you can see, it starts to play. Similarly, if you want to skip tracks, we can hold on these buttons. As you can see, the track got changed right there. We'll pause it for now. I'll give you an overview of the speaker. Here we have the notification kind of a light. It's basically an LED light which, when glows blue, it tells us about that the speaker is paired right now. And okay, I'll play a song. You guys can enjoy the playback. from the initial impressions, the sound quality does seem very good. Like, I'll have to test it in depth with different kinds of tracks and different genres of music to actually understand the quality of the sound. But initially it feels really nice. Maybe for a size comparison, I have my Mi Bluetooth speaker first generation right here. So these are quite popular, so probably a size comparison would be a good idea. As you can see, the SoundBot speaker is quite thick compared to it, but then it sounds way better than the Mi Bluetooth speaker, at least from what I can say from the initial impressions. So that would be it, guys, for this video. Thanks a lot for watching this unboxing video. If you have any doubts, queries related to this speaker, leave them in the comments down below and I'll make sure that I answer. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below, and also don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook and Twitter. Links to all of them are in the description. Thanks a lot for watching.